Hi, welcome to Dave's Tiny Kitchen. Today we're going to be making something a little bit like a cross between a frittata, a Spanish omelette, a crustless quiche, something along those lines. So I don't know what to call it. We'll call it a frittata but baked in the oven. So stop messing around and crack on. So the monster list of ingredients for this, it's going to be quite filling, quite wholesome, not like an omelette really, so quite filling, quite stodgy hopefully, something to fill you up. Anyway, the ingredients are some cooked sliced potatoes, some onion, red bell pepper, garlic, the spicy chorizo sausage, feta cheese, I've got one medium hot sort of chili pepper, chili cut up there as well, double cream, 7 eggs, and this is some wilted down spinach, along with just a bit of oil, some butter, some salt, pepper, garlic. That's it, so let's crack on. So first things first, we've got a hot pan on, bit of butter, bit of rapeseed oil in it. In goes a couple of finely diced onions. And we'll just sweat them down until they're a bit softened. Well, that's been going for a couple of minutes, starting to soften down a little. Next we're going to chuck in the spiced little rings of chorizo. Not too much, just for flavouring more than anything. You should be able to see now this lovely reddy orangey colour coming out of the chorizo, flavouring the onions as well. I think now it's time to chuck in the 3 cloves of garlic, which I've already chopped. Again, we'll carry on sweating this down for a few more minutes, and then we'll probably take that off, and that'll be that done. Actually no, we won't. We chuck in the bell pepper as well. Just give that a couple of minutes, because I still want this to keep some of its natural crunch if I can. So it's just to get some flavourings going around the pan really. Some black pepper. No salt at this stage because we're going to be adding feta, which is quite salty anyway. And I know there's fresh garlic in as well, but I'm going to put some ground flaked garlic. So this is the dish that's going in the oven. I've lightly buttered this, and now I'll just layer some of the already cooked potato into the bottom, like that. Hopefully I'll have enough potato for 2 layers. That's that bit. A few bits of chili flakes. I don't think I'm going to be using all of this, but a big lump in the corner, so whoever gets that bit, probably be me, will be jumping for joy. And now some of the wilted spinach. I'm going to kind of put this in four places, because this is going to be 4 portions of frittata, pretty much. And when I pour on the egg and cream, I want it to soak right down to the base, so I don't want to make a sealed layer, if you like, to stop the stuff going down. And the feta next, I think. Sprinkle the feta all over. Some lovely colours there, white, green, red. Almost got the, well, it is the Italian flag really, except it's Spanish. Then the second bit of this. I think I can just scrape this on now with the I'll tell you something, I'm really looking forward to this. The next stage, I've got 7 eggs here and some double cream or heavy cream, perhaps not all of it, perhaps about half this, which will be going everywhere. So that's about 200, well, it says 284 mils, so 150 mils ish. A little bit more salt, a little bit more garlic, always. A good ground black pepper. I did heat the oven up to 180°C just now. We'll pour this on. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. I think I'll just decorate the top with a couple of slices of tomato. Into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes on 180°C. See when it comes out. So here we are, fresh out of the oven, absolutely boiling hot. Oh my god, looking good. We'll allow that to cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll cut a nice little slice and have a go. Well, it's cooled for 10 minutes, it's still warm, but how good does that look? Time to taste. Here we go. So good. So So good. Thanks for watching.